Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title, Python, Calling Class Methods Without Instance. Introduction. In Python, class methods are typically called on instances of a class. However, there are scenarios where you may need to call a class method directly, without creating an instance of the class. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to achieve this and provide code examples to illustrate the process. Understanding class methods. Class methods in Python are defined using the @class method decorator. They are bound to the class and not the instance of the class, making them accessible even before any instance of the class is created. This makes class methods useful for operations that are related to the class itself, rather than instances of the class. Example class. Let's create a simple class with a class method to demonstrate how to call it without creating an instance. Calling class method with an instance. First, let's create an instance of the class and call the class method using the instance. Calling class method without an instance. Now, let's call the class method without creating an instance of the class. Output. Explanation. In the example above, we defined a class myClass with a class method class_method. When calling the method using an instance, my_instance.class_method, it prints the class variable along with its value. Similarly, when calling the class method without an instance, myClass.class_method, it directly accesses the class variable and prints the result. Conclusion. Calling class methods without creating an instance can be useful in certain situations where the method logic is related to the class itself rather than instances. By using the @class method decorator, you can define methods that are accessible at the class level, allowing for more flexibility in your Python code. ChatGPT.